Assalamualaikum and good evening. Today we are going to present our project 2. This is our company, Pentagon. So our motto is Trust in Technology. So the project title for this presentation is IKEA Smart Concept, and the company name is Pentagon. So this is our company organization chart. First is Muhammad Akmariza bin Ismail as the network administrator, and then Muhammad Firdaus bin Yusri as the programmer, then Muhammad Nur Iqmah bin Rosli as the GUI designer, then Iman Aslam bin Muhammad as the system analysis, and last is Muhammad Daniel bin Bahar as the database specialist. Okay, so this is our project task distribution. So Muhammad Akmariza bin Ismail is going to present slide 4 until 9. Muhammad Firdaus bin Yusri is going to present slide 12 and 13. Muhammad Nur Iqmah bin Rosli is going to present slide 10 and 11. And Iman Aslam bin Muhammad is going to present slide 14 until 16. And Muhammad Daniel bin Bahar is going to present slide 1 until 4. So this is the introduction. Company that we assigned in this project is IKEA. The specific location is 752 Persiaran Kasia Selatan, 8 Lebuh Raya Bandar Kasia, Kampung Batu Kawan, 14110 Pulau Pinang. The title of this project is IKEA Track and Pay. So system design, system interface flow for process system setting. So I will pass to Akmarizal.
Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to present system design, system interface flow for process system setting. Okay, first interface is for system setting is this, the main. They have option button, scan button, search button, scroll bar, and command button. Okay, next we have search button, option button, and command button. Okay, so this is for QR code. We have command button. Okay, next for system pay, we have setting button, transfer button, drop down list box. Okay, so this is how we make a payment interface. So we have menu bar, drop down list box, calendar control, and text box. Okay, next Muhammad Nur Iqmah.
I will present. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Okay, so I will present about input and apply for process system setting. So one of the input that can be used in IKEA Smart Track and Pay is where the customer only need to scan the code of the item display on the screen for the price tag for the furniture. Then the detail for the furniture will be displayed in the application. This application also automatically show the direction of the item is placed. This makes it easier for customer to scan the code on the screen display if you want to find the furniture. Another input is when looking for the furniture related to the customer wardrobe. You only need to type the wardrobe furniture in the application, and automatically the direction to the item is displayed on the telephone screen or customer tab. So next, IKEA Track and Pay is an application to pay for goods online, specially created by IKEA. By using this app, customer can save time and energy. The current state of the world affected by COVID-19, Smart Pay is very good to prevent this epidemic from spreading because customers do not have to queue to make a payment. Make sure you register using an active bank account to avoid any problem. So lastly, IKEA Track and Pay can also be used on the card by scanning the barcode available on the card. This works when the customer scans the card. The cards become the customer right as long as the customer wants to use it. So next slide we talk about a validation check for the process system setting. So for the login interface, it is best to use a LED chat. Usually LED chat is used for a password and for a login interface. It is more suitable to use this. So as you can see, for the login, we use the chat. So as for the search an item using IKEA Smart Trend and Pay, customer are required to insert the item code or name and click search in our app. This for customer easily find the item they want in IKEA. As for this method, whether it is best for using format chat. And lastly is a character set. This is to make sure all the item in the right place and item in the range of their right number. So for the next slide, I will pass to my best friend is Muhammad Firdaus Bayusi.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Firdaus. So for the next one, I'm going to present about system implementation and support. So for the first one, unit testing for test case 1, process, scan and search. The test case number is test case 1. Testing type, unit testing. Process name, searching for goods. Process description, to test if the application can find the goods in IKEA. So user view type, customer, test by myself, Muhammad Firdaus. Input, customer search the goods of IKEA in the application. Expected output, the application show to customer the exact route to take in order to find the goods. Actual output, customer already arrived at the goods and that they are searching. So test result, pass or fail, pass. So for the next one, integration testing for test case 2, process system setting. Test case number, test case 2. Testing type, integration testing. Process name, payment method. Process description, to test the payment method, whether the payment is valid or not. User type, user view type, customers, test by Akmal. So for the input, choose the item that customers want to pay. As per the input, customers put the item code and make a payment in IKEA Smart Pay application. Actual output, customers fill all the details in IKEA Smart Pay application to complete a payment. Test result, pass or fail, pass.
Hi, so my name is Imam Muhammad and I'm going to present about the last system changeover IKEA Smart concept. For system changeover, I plan on using pilot operation changeover method. Reason for this is that it is less risky than direct cut over and it is less costly than complete parallel running. And the conclusion is, in the conclusion, this app was created to create it to make it easier for customer to shop at IKEA. We select our system's setting to be our main process in DF level 0 in project 1. Next, we make a complete design of system interface flow. Another is we make a table screen element control feature of flow interact. We also make a validation check to input data interface. Next, we perform until testing and iteration test based on FDD1. We is searching for goods and payment method. Lastly, we have to plan on how to perform system changeover to IKEA Track and Pay. So we plan to use pilot operation as a customer. We should take advantage of what has specially created to make our daily life easier. Thank you.